Hey Honda fans, it's Patrick Bieran with Bianchi Honda, here to show you another great Honda tip. We all know on Honda SUVs and Odysseys equipped with power tailgates that they can be opened from inside the vehicle, from the key fob, and also from the rear hatch. Well, what if you're in a garage with low clearance? Well, I'm going to show you how to open your hatch manually. To open the tailgate manually, all you have to do is grab the button underneath the hatch and hold it for a couple extra seconds. That then enters manual mode for your rear hatch, which gives you the ability to move it to any position you want. Once the hatch is open, you can either manually close it or press the powered button and be on your way.